Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in the pinnacle of luxury? Imagine a world where exclusivity and refinement are the norm, where every detail is meticulously designed to elevate life's pleasures. Picture an environment that caters to your every whim, a unique lifestyle that many aspire to, but only a select few can attain. This is the allure of luxury living. Today we take a rare glimpse into this realm of sophistication and opulence through an exclusive tour of a stunning luxury penthouse. Step into a world of elegance as we cross the threshold of this extraordinary residence. The grand entrance is a showstopper, with its high-end materials and intricate design elements that instantly captivate. From the finely crafted ornate doors to the exquisite marble flooring and the impressive high ceilings, every detail speaks of a refined taste. The tastefully curated lighting fixtures cast a warm, inviting glow, whispering promises of luxury and comfort. The grandeur of the entrance sets a precedent for what lies ahead in this architectural masterpiece. Beyond the entrance, the living spaces unfold in a symphony of luxury. Each room is a testament to the art of living well, where plush furnishings meet ingenious design. The grandeur of the space is accentuated by an array of one-of-a-kind artworks, each carefully curated to complement the room's aesthetic. Every corner speaks volumes about the meticulous attention to detail that has gone into crafting this masterpiece of a home. The living spaces are equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, effortlessly blending comfort with technology. Picture this: reclining on a sumptuous sofa, the city's skyline painting a breathtaking panorama through floor-to-ceiling windows. The twinkling city lights become your living art installation, setting an enchanting backdrop to your evenings. And it's not just about the views. The sense of space, the thoughtful layout, and the luxurious materials all come together to create an atmosphere of unparalleled opulence. These living spaces perfectly encapsulate the essence of luxury city living. As we delve deeper into the penthouse, we encounter the heart of the home, the gourmet kitchen, and a private oasis, the spa. The kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream come true, adorned with state-of-the-art appliances that seamlessly blend with the elegant design. High-quality, hand-picked materials grace every surface, reflecting the attention to detail that makes this space a gastronomic haven. Now imagine transitioning from this Epicurean delight to a sanctuary of serenity, the private spa. Here you'll find an ambience that whispers tranquility, enveloping you in a cocoon of luxury. The spa boasts top-tier facilities designed not only to pamper but to rejuvenate, recharging your senses in a setting that's both intimate and indulgent. The interplay between the gourmet kitchen and the private spa is a dance of sophistication and comfort, a harmony of function and luxury. Both the kitchen and the spa serve as testament to the penthouse's commitment to luxury and relaxation. Finally, we ascend to the crowning glory of this penthouse, the rooftop terrace. A sanctuary in the sky, it offers a breathtaking panorama that seamlessly merges the city's skyline with the heavens. As the city lights twinkle like stars beneath you, the rooftop terrace becomes a celestial observatory, a place where the world seems both immense and intimately close. The furnishings here are nothing short of spectacular. Plush seating arrangements, reminiscent of a five-star resort, invite you to sit back and soak in the awe-inspiring vista. And the luxury doesn't stop there. Imagine a dinner party under the stars, made possible by a fully equipped outdoor kitchen. Or perhaps a moonlit soak in the hot tub, the city's heartbeat echoing around you. The terrace, with its perfect blend of comfort, style, and panoramic views, is more than just an outdoor space. It's a lifestyle statement, a testament to the extraordinary. The rooftop terrace truly encapsulates the pinnacle of luxury living, offering an unrivaled experience of the city's skyline. This penthouse is more than just a home, it's a symbol of the luxury lifestyle, an embodiment of exclusivity, sophistication, and opulence. The grand living spaces exude refinement. The gourmet kitchen and private spa are a testament to the pinnacle of modern amenities. The panoramic views from the rooftop terrace speak volumes about the upscale city living it offers. The meticulously crafted architecture and design elements are a visual treat. After touring this epitome of elegance, one can't help but be drawn to the allure of the luxury lifestyle.